There is a fairy tale land in the heart of Transylvania, where fortresses were built and history was written. But there is more to this fairy tale land that meets the eye. Here dwells passion for automation. TAS is a family-owned company founded in 2003 in Sibiu as part of the Auto Group. Starting from our large automotive experience, we developed the local concept of automation factory, offering our clients tailor-made solutions for integrated automation systems. Since 2005, this engineering heritage was taken over by TAS from our colleagues in Germany. Through their daily dedication to performance, our team sustains innovation, quality, and evolution for automation handling, marking, dispensing, joining processes, testing, measurement, and cleaning. These are some of the main processes which our automation factory has been integrating in the past 15 years of experience. With the help of our qualified engineers, our equipment is precisely designed, assembled, programmed, and tested to be marketed as tailor-made solutions for our clients. Day by day, we challenge ourselves. The quality of your product is the mirror of our passion. Our name is TAS, Integrated Automation Systems.